What really matters is what happens on the job site, which is why Superform has been listening to builders since day one. Our goal is to design a block that stacks faster, is stronger, with fewer accessories, so you save time and money while giving owners a space they can depend on.
Superform was extremely easy to work with, and they met all our target dates. Our project's actually a month ahead of schedule.
With our 6-inch tie spacing, you get 33% more ties per block and 850 pounds of tensile strength per tie.
I do have experience with 4 other brands of block, and this is by far the strongest.
Pouring concrete in ICF puts a phenomenal amount of pressure on corner blocks. Between the bulletproof corners and close tie spacing, blowouts are virtually eliminated, reducing the need for extra support around corners and openings.
And if I show up on a site and I don't see white block with red ties, more times than not, I see a blowout. Something's going to happen. If I see that Superform on site, I know I can turn up my pump. 9 times out of 10, I'm going to make my next job on time.
Less waste and cleanup means you have more time and save money. Pour faster, vibrate harder, and save on pump time with Superform.
That's my biggest push behind it. The strength, the simplicity of putting it together, and the waste. This whole project, I carry 3 garbage bags of waste out. That's amazing cost effectiveness.
Superform's stocky 12-inch blocks are super easy to measure or calculate, and our tough ties eliminate bulging along vertical and horizontal joints. Due to Superform ICF's strength, there's no need to waste your time and money installing FormLock. Superform's 4-foot block size is easier to handle whether you're in the trenches or on the scaffold. Our interlocking system features the highest surface-to-surface friction fit available due to our 2 square knobs every inch. In just one push, your block is installed and secured. The interlocking system and anti-lift technology eliminates the need for wire clipping or tying blocks together, and also resists perpendicular spreading at block joints during the concrete pour. Every one of our blocks features 1-inch cut lines for increased design flexibility and less job site waste. Since we have a maximum bearing footprint, Superform ICF hugs the footing during installation, so you have a solid base that doesn't rock. This saves you the hassle of foaming the first row to the footing or installing kickers.
Today is Friday morning at 6 o'clock. We started setting ICF on Wednesday. This particular house here is about 2,400 square feet with an 11-foot wall and a garage, and we're putting concrete in it today at 1 o'clock. So we worked 27 hours with 4 men to have it ready for concrete on this size of structure, and it's complete. It is ready for concrete.
Installers using Superform ICF save hours of headaches by not having to install unneeded accessories. Our 6-inch tie spacing, thicker tie flange, and interlocking system gives you stronger, straighter walls so you can finish jobs faster, saving time and money without sacrificing quality.
At the end of the day, I use Superform ICF because of the block strength and because of the peace of mind during the concrete pour.
Visit us at superformicf.com